Hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an animated read more arrow for your CSS projects. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for loading.io slash animation slash icon slash. Just simply go to this URL, check it very carefully. If you type it wrong, you're not gonna find the website. Now here you're gonna see multiple options for you. You can change the sample SVGs as well, that you can use for a read more perspective. And here you're gonna see multiple options, multiple settings for you to customize your things. And once you are done with it, you can directly save it as a asset, or you can get multiple type formats for the same, and you can use it directly on your projects. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.